abusuafo nsa makɔ aba previous projects na yɛyɛ no yɛsa bɛtoa so na ɛnɛ deɛ no yɛbɛ ade bulk ideas generator. The idea generator na yɛcreate yɛ no first one yɛyɛ no manual so wobɛ type in the idea na wa select the model no manually. And the second one ɛbɛyɛ sɛ wobɛ select model no dynamically ɛbɛ prompt to the user na wa select model koro bɛ use. Na ɛnɛ deɛ no ɛbɛyɛ no bulk ideas generator. Ti yɛfa sɛ yɛwɔ text file a yɛwɔ ideas bebree wɔ mu. Ti yɛpɛ sɛ generate idea ma every topic. Yɛm de AI na generate saa ideas wei na topics wei. Nti yɛ old code na yɛbɛ use. Na changes kakra yɛbɛyɛ ɛwɔ ha. Baabi a yɛbɛ select topic no. Nti yɛn comment this session out. Nti sorry. Before say yɛbɛ start yɛn grab the text file. Yɛ open. You find the text, sorry, idea.text, ideas.txt. You be opening read mode. Afraid there, okay, read mode as F. Okay, so you be open that file as F. Into F with the variable I store file in our. Did you ever say file? You get under where reference file. Now you're reading all the lines in that file, you know, F name. And you be reading all the ideas, you know, say line by line. You be reading in a list. Nti sɛ ɛnyɛ list ɛfrɛ no file. Nti ɛnyɛ list ɛfrɛ no file no. Yɛmmra ha. Okay. Nti yɛn create another loop. I will loop through all the list. So you loop through the list and I take each idea or each topic. Now you assign the variable topic to it. Nti for idea in file. Yes. Your file near list. Okay. Nti your file idea biara na sɛ wo print abom sɛ bi no yɛwɔ lines wɔ ase. Nka ne sɛ new line nti yɛbɛ strip off saa new line nyinaa. Yɛbɛn sɛ idea is equal to idea dot replace. You will replace all the new lines with empty string. You replace new line with empty string. Okay, and yeah, idea no. Today never. After prompt we no. Prompt we na bishop loop name. The private the sa prompt we na ba okay that be you maintaining her. And from down her. ABC na the record under the loop. It's any idea na we okay. You replace all the new lines with empty string. Into your topic no equal to idea. Nti ɛbɛkɔ the topic no ba na yɛawomɛte wei. Nti ɛnyɛ topic na wie. Nti wie a na yɛagenerate a text file a contain the topic, the model name and the date. Nti yɛntra nhwɛ. Nti yɛnselect yɛ model ChatGPT. Okay, yɛnya error wɔ ha. Ɔse deɛ okay, right encoding as F. Okay, and unknown encoding UTF-8. Sorry. Right, UTF. Now square UFT. Okay, UTF-8. Nti yɛnsan run foforɔ. Model ChatGPT. Nti wotumi sɛ yɛagenerate ideas nyinaa wɔ ha. Nti yɛmfa wei. Nti topics na ɛwɔ ha no. So yɛfa each topic a na yɛagenerate 10 ideas na saving the file. Now I found another sorry. As I found another topic. Now generate into your code no. When we are now printing, I mean you in film you print it. Into the end say previous code na no yan change hwe. But the change and say your file no e contain topics. Into you open that file no. Ewa. So you open here read all the lines. Near saving in a variable friend file. And that file contain a list of all the topics. Nti yɛba loop na ɛbɛ loop through all the lines. Na perform some operation on it. Operation is at the end of every line no, go say new line character wɔ hɔ. O say you free. Nti you replace it with empty string na ayɛ normal sentence yi. Okay. Nti awie no, na yɛde saa all these operation abɛhyɛ loop mu. Nti take idea bi a na yɛde perform saa operation yi na write into the file ɛwɔ ha. Na saa aba. Na saa bɛ write into a file. Saa kɔ say maybe all the topics. In this case, ma file name yɛ dynamic. Nti yɛbɛfa the number. In Python, yɛfrɛ bi enumerate. Yes. Nti the change sɛ yɛbɛfa the position of the idea. Nti ɛyɛ list position 1 no ɛba nti wobɛyɛ 0 na the content no astore wɔ mu. Na ɛkɔ the next one position 1 na the content no nti na yɛuse enumerate ɛma no. Nti yɛafa the number no yɛsɛ perform operation on it. Nti yɛmmra topic idea no. Idea mamfa mmra ha. Yes. Nti then yes nti yɛde the index no bɛba ha. Ɛnam sɛ ɛyɛ 0 base nti yɛsɛ the one count start free 1. So let's start from 1 to the last index. Nti yɛnsan run foforɔ yɛnkɔ delete all the files no free. Yes. Nti I delete previous generated files in free. Nti yɛbɛrane model bɛ na ɛpɛ sɛ use. Ɛpɛ sɛ use Gemini number 3. Nti yɛbɛstart here performing operation. Yes, egu so a ɛyɛ. Nti yɛhu sɛ from number 1 to number 6 I generate ama yɛ. Nti depending on our network. So network speed no fam a ɛbɛkyɛ. Nti yɛnhwɛ so far. Okay, ɔma yɛ taste of Ghana snack box. Okay. Ghanaian artisan craft box. Okay. So ɔma yɛ some ideas about the topic about virtual assistant ne aba. So wei na depending on the prompt a bɛma no. Okay, Ghanaian market research and entry assistant. Okay, social media management. So ɛma all the ideas related to the topic na de ama no. Nti if I suppose generate ideas for 100 topics, your brain will create a text file. Okay, we then put all the ideas in it. So each idea will one line or each topic. We are then why you use this code? Because we name ideas.txt. What's a sana base and what I say, then all run code and one no. So with my simple program, what hosting on the web, and to use and will create a file called ideas.txt, an idea or word man. Now I input all the file in here, all the ideas. Now I upload or app also. We upload automatically generate all the ideas. Now say we be in respective text file. No download. Topics that generate 100 ideas file. I be containing number of ideas I've specified. See, and one no. I generate we. Two question be able to ambusana ya discuss it.